Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll all the way down to access special features. Following that, click on Simple Mode and tap on Enter Simple Mode. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to turn it off, go into Settings again, tap on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!